Today we gather here to launch the 2025 Safe Customary Initiation Awareness Campaign officially. We are excited to raise our collective voice and deliver a resolute national message that resonates from the corridors of government to the homestead of our rural villages and the inner city flats of our urban spaces. A message that says customary initiation must never again cost a life. This campaign is launched under the powerful and urgent theme, Mabaye, bephila, babuye, bephila. A deeply resonant call to action that reminds us that initiates must go to initiation alive and healthy and return alive and healthy.